I would like to come back to you, Priyanka. Riyanka, I beg your pardon, on what this meeting is all about.
Right, what we're getting to know is that Union Home Minister Amit Shah is now meeting with the BJP MPs in the Parliament premises, and this is to keep, their stand clear regarding the Ambedkar legacy issues. This meeting is very crucial at a time when the strategy of the floor leaders needs to be decided because the Parliament will once again resume at around 2 p.m. and then the likely debate regarding the same war of words, the controversy regarding B.R. Ambedkar is going to take place. Remember, at around 11 a.m. there were disruption and chaos that took place, which is when the Parliament, both the houses got adjourned till 2 p.m. But now looks like Home Minister Amit Shah is chairing this very, very crucial meeting of the BJP MPs regarding the controversy surrounding Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's legacy. Just to be seen what happens next at around 2 p.m. When both the houses will resume.
Continue talking to us, Riyanka, because given how the opposition has said that as far as ONOP is concerned, the BJP is divided on it. Now, that is how they are going about as far as the ONOP debate is there. Even on the attacks that they have been mounting against the BJP, it is quite going against them. So, all in all, if we really review the winter session, they have been on the back foot. I'm learning that it is an all-out war in Parliament over the legacy of Dr. Ambedkar. Home Minister Amit Shah's comments during Rajya Sabha Constitution debate have sparked a controversy. The Congress party has accused him of showing disdain for the architect of the Indian Constitution. Amit Shah had remarked that now it has become a fashion to keep using Ambedkar's name, which Congress leaders, including former party president Rahul Gandhi, interpreted as disrespectful. It's now Kiran Rijiju who has issued a sharp response on the floor. Meanwhile, we are also getting details of how Union Home Minister Amit Shah is meeting with Prime Minister Modi in the Parliament on the ongoing developments. Riyanka, what more do you know about this?
Well, that is the latest breaking development coming in with this controversy gaining momentum with each passing minute. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, after meeting with the top BJP leaders in the Parliament premises, is now meeting with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in order to, discuss this entire matter that is now panning out with the opposition putting its pressure more on the BJP. But it is the BJP-led central government that is not going to back out, because it is Prime Minister Modi also who has given out in, he has given his response over a series of posts on social media platform X, where he has launched a very, strong attack on the Congress party for launching this alleged attack on the BJP, that they do not respect Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. But yes, this is a very, very crucial meeting of Home Minister Amit Shah at the moment with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, letting him know what is happening in both the houses and how there should be a response that the BJP can go ahead and give it to the Congress party. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. Next series of meetings happening in the Parliament premises. Remember, today also in around 10:30 a.m. the Congress had also gone ahead and they held a meeting regarding their strategy, how to corner the government over the Ambedkar issue. But the BJP leaders, the top brass of the BJP, are now meeting at the Parliament premises in order to discuss this.